What up, YouTube? Tito, back with another vid. Flywheel and clutch just came in. So we're about to make a video, show you how to install that. If you got any questions, man, just get at me and I'll try to get you, get back at y'all. Other than that, man, enjoy the video. And yeah, don't forget, ride with me. One. All right, so we're looking at the lightweight flywheel. Something that's lightweight is pretty heavy. Failed joke, I know. So we're about to go and get this bad boy on. All right. Instructions on what to do. This is the clutch. The stage 2 clutch. This is the disc. Cool. Get that over here for now. All right. Spindle, release bearing, the throwout bearing, some lube. So this is the all right. Cool. So first things first, you got to get this motor turned around. Only thing I'm gonna need after this is gonna be headers. I can find some headers, man, for the Max. Should be the only thing needed. All right, so what we want to do, these are the old bolts that came on the D.I.Y motor. So these washers came with the clutch. Came with the clutch kit, so I'm just gonna take those off because we're gonna need those. And so pretty much our main goal, what you want to do essentially is take your flywheel bolts, correct size or correct sizes, lace them with the washer, put it in there, and tighten all the way till it tightens down. But prior to doing that, make sure you get your Loctite. Bam! There it is. Look at that. Yeah. Make sure you get your Loctite and you want to put it on the actual bolt and go ahead and put those in there to secure the flywheel. I'm going to follow these instructions to the best of my ability and we're going to go from there. I'll be back with an update. Alright, so I got these flywheel bolts mounted on. But now I'm about to get the clutch and pressure plate put on and we're going to go from there. Yep. So, like I just said, went ahead and put in the new throw bearing, straw bearing, lubed it all up as best as I could, cleaned out the transmission as best as I could. Brake cleaner did it pretty well. I just ran out. I really feel like getting out to the store. Clutch installed. Alright, so update. Transmission was able to mount up. No problems. Now, how you guys decide to mount the transmission to the motor is on you guys. What I did was I put it back on the engine hoist and I jacked it up a little bit just so it can be even with the transmission that I put on this piece of wood here to give it an inch or two elevation off the ground. Once the little dowels matched up, took my little rubber mallet, started giving it some love taps just to get it in there. So now that it is, I'm gonna take these bolts and I'm gonna thread them in the top section by hand, drill those in. Then I feel pretty confident that it is going to be secured enough where I can jack it all the way up, probably to get clearance. Well, definitely get clearance from my drill. So go ahead and drill the bottom ones in and then go ahead and see about putting on the engine mounts. And then I got some headers. We're gonna make sure those fit on. And then as long as those are good, man, I still got some sunlight out. Go ahead and see if I can at least put the motor back into the car and secure it to the frame with the headers and all that stuff. And we go from there. So stay tuned, man. Ride with your boy. Yep. All right. So I got my OBX headers on. They were a direct fit. We had to do very, very slight modification, but nothing to the actual headers. or the Y pipe. These are for a 2007 Nissan Altima. 3.5 liter VQ engine. You can see direct fit. These bolts weren't the ones that came. I had to find them. For some reason how they had them, they weren't threading right. So the ones in the back fit fine. The ones up front, I just had to find some bolts. I'm gonna try to find some thicker ones later. We'll see if I can do that, or probably just rethread. In terms of modification, where these bolts here, these 3 bolts, then I ended up switching these exhaust studs back from the chain. So these are how the original ones were. If you pulled them off, if you got the original HR motor. So instead of them being here and here, I just reverted them back so they can fit. So I got the motor mounts on, the front and back. Solid, good to go. So I'm gonna see about trying to put it back in the car. So yeah. All right guys, update. The sun is down, kids are weary, I'm tired, dirty, but I got the motor in. The motor is sitting in the Maxima right now. I just put it in. Everything lined up, the motor mounts lined up. Yeah, ride with me, stay tuned. Yep.